Hello, welcome to this. So remember last time when we installed Windows 7 on the computer? Yeah, that was fun. Well, I had the creative idea to put Windows 10 on it, which I'm going to do now using this USB. Oh wait, it has no files yet, so let's go do that now.
Okay, now that we are on the computer, we're going to go and open up Rufus, which I've already done. And then you're going to get the ISO directly from the Microsoft website. That will be linked in the bio. In our link in bio, that will be linked. My computer's MBR, so we'll do that. And now, we'll start the installation.
Okay, so if you see I have the computer booted up right now, and I just have the USB right here, and we're going to put Windows 10 on the computer now. So I'm just going to plug it in. Maybe. There it goes. And now we're going to restart the computer. Okay, the computer is just rebooted, so now we're just going to boot to the BIOS, or the boot menu. And now we're going to boot off the USB. And I gotta press my any key to boot. And now we wait. Okay, we're now in the installer, and I have to zoom in more because the monitor is bad. Now we're going to do the classic install of installing Windows 10. If the installer starts, that is. There it is. No product key. I'd like Pro, please. Accept the terms. Custom. Delete all these R partitions. And now we'll let go with the installation on the time lapse starting now. Okay, it's finished the initial setup. And I should probably say this. This computer does not really do Windows 10 well. It has to get a modified driver that is on this USB. So when that's done, I gotta plug it in and do that. I did not really find the camera well there, so yeah. Okay, so when this is done, we'll plug in the USB, and I gotta do this quick. Just a moment, according to the thing. And then we should be able to do the thing that we were supposed to do. So I gotta do this really quick before the driver actually installs. If it does install, I gotta do this whole process all over again, and it's just a real pain. So, to make sure I do it now, or to make sure I don't mess it up, plugging the USB drive in now, even though it's probably not going to do anything. So now we'll just wait one more moment, and I'll be back when it's done. Anyway, if you look at here, we're on the page. I have the United States, definitely not the UK. I have a US keyboard. Skip this. I gotta move the camera back a little bit. I don't have internet right now. But there's a reason I do this. Because then I get to make a local account. Yay! Oh yeah, you know the drill. 6tech. Next. Not gonna put a password on it. Gotta zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see. Not now. Don't like Cortana. Hi. Okay. And now we wait. Okay, now we gotta do the thing. Or we gotta rush it. Go. Device manager. Come on, what are you doing? Okay. Video controller. Update driver. Browse my computer manually. This. New folder. Go. Next. Did it. We got the driver installed on time, so that it doesn't do its little thing. And now that I think about it, I gotta move the camera back. There we go. And look at there. The graphics driver is installed. Got audio now from the driver. Of course, this Mario doesn't go that high, so let me see if I can adjust the volume. Nice. And now, time for the fun thing. Let me connect this to the internet, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are now online, as you can tell, because it's giving me these notifications now. Now, time to use everyone's worst nightmare. Microsoft Edge. And the reason I'm using this is to get the stupid Chrome installer, because that's what I normally use. But if you saw my last video, I actually put Firefox on there. And the only reason I did that is because that computer, when I tried to install Chrome, it just didn't work beforehand when I was doing testing. Like, see if it would actually work. Like I did testing for this video. So now we will download Google Chrome. And we will get it installed. And now Chrome is installed. And also, you're like, Six Tech, how are you going to activate it? Well, that's what we have to do now. Because as you can see, I don't want to have Windows not be activated. So on Chrome, we're going to go to msguides.com/Windows 10. I will have this linked in our bio as well. They have a good guide on how to activate Windows for free. And the only reason I do this is because it's easier. And also then I can actually, do stuff with it. So I will show you now how to activate it. So to run command prompt as an administrator. Hello, there it goes. Wait, there it goes. And then you want to copy what version of Windows you have. Like, so I have professional, so I'm going to get this key, copy it. I'm going to copy it. And we're going to type in the command prompt slmgr/IPK, and then put the product key in. And then you'll type in slmgr/skms kms8.msguides.com, and then slmgr/ATO. Activate it. So let me explain quickly what each one does. This one makes sure the product key is inserted. This one sets your key manager, and then this command activates it. Now, if you do it all correctly, you should get a pop-up that says that you have done it correctly and Windows is activated. Like now, see, activating, product successfully activated. So, yep, that is Windows 10 on the Dell Inspiron 560. Hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.